Today I want to talk about cheese and Islam. I noticed there are lots of rumors around that Muslims do not eat cheese. Well, I read, for example, this comment. It said, "You cheese eater infidels," and I checked the sender. He was a Jew, and well, first of all, Muslims do eat cheese, and Christians and Jews are not infidels. They are God believers based on Muslim belief. And well, I was watching this movie about, it was a comedy movie, and a Muslim convert had written a book, Milk Better Than Cheese, and these things about making fun of Muslims and these things. Well, we know who makes movies usually. I did a bit of research about cheese and Islam to see why this propaganda is propagated. And well, first of all, cheese is made from kernering the milk by whether vinegar or rennet. Rennet could be from animal source or from plant materials or from biological products. There are three types of three school of thoughts about cheese in Islam. First, it says that all the cheese are halal, whether it's from halal slaughtered animal, which is very similar to kosher, or from plant material or vinegar, because they say that rennet is not a part of animal. The second school of thought says that rennet has to be from halal slaughtered animal. The third one, which belongs to Shias, says that first of all it has to be from halal meat, animal, slaughtered animal, and second, it is makruh, which means better not to eat, but it is makruh when it is eaten alone. When you eat it with nuts, it is halal, fully halal. And they even argue that recent scientific discoveries has proven that cheese, during its digestion process, which is very hard for body actually, because cheese is very dense in protein and minerals. It takes 4 to 5 hours to be digested. Anyway, it uses a lot of copper, and copper is the food of brain, and well, it means that if you eat cheese alone, it consumes the copper and it makes you a bit dumber. But nuts, especially walnut, is rich in copper, so it replaces the lost copper. I don't know which one is correct. I follow the third one, which is safer, I guess. But it is very interesting that why these people propagate this stuff around, this hatred, and it is very interesting to know what is Jewish belief toward cheese. First of all, it is very hard to find a kosher cheese, because not only it has to be from kosher killed animal, but it has to be done, even if it is used only vinegar to produce cheese. The process has to be done by a Jew, because basically a non-Jew cannot be trusted. On the other hand, based on Jewish law, you cannot consume any milk products with meat products. It means that a Jew cannot eat pizza when meat and cheese is in it, or in it, because there should be whether cheese or meat, not these two together. It means that basically we cannot find it, because kosher cheese is very difficult to find unless they make it for themselves, and it should be vegetarian. So, but you never hear these stuff around, but you hear lots of propaganda and lies about Muslims, so don't trust them. Basically, Muslims do eat cheese, and it is a hadith that when cheese was brought for my prophet, he asked for a knife, and he said, in the name of God, he cut it and he ate it. So we do eat cheese, but Jews have lots of problems with eating it. Thank you very much.